Meet the next evolution in UV printing, DCP-80 Elite Digital Cylinder UV Printer. 360 degrees high clearance direct-to-shape printing, redefining the art of bottle decoration. Normal UV printers require a fixed nozzle-to-bottle distance, causing ink splattering and blurred prints on irregular or tapered surfaces. DCP-80 Elite UV Printer, equipped with the Ricoh G6 printhead, features advanced high-clearance printing technology. Its intelligent compensation system ensures precise ink deposition without splattering, even on irregularly shaped bottles, including tapered, concave, or textured surfaces, delivering sharp graphics with up to 20 mm height variations. Stable, powerful ejection. Meanwhile, the printhead delivers enhanced jetting force, enabling the ink to achieve durable adhesion on both porous and non-porous substrates. Flawless gradients and vibrant colors, it perfectly renders both smooth color gradients and vibrant full-color patterns. Upgraded printhead elevates printing performance to new levels. 360 degrees, seamless printing redefined. It overcomes the constraints of conventional UV printing technology, achieving perfect wraparound patterns in a single process without color registration. Speed revolution in industrial printing. While delivering museum-grade print quality on intricate designs, DCP-80 Elite maintains industrial-grade efficiency, printing standard cylindrical objects in as fast as 60 seconds. Precision printing, peak performance. Even in high-demand production environments, it maintains consistent print quality while boosting productivity. Custom engineered at scale, seamlessly bridging personalized customization with industrial-scale production. Suitable for a wide range of materials. It can print perfectly on the upper surface of cylindrical, tapered, and conical objects. DCP-80 Elite redefines technology of printing with increased head gap where specs meet real-world performance, broader material adaptability, faster throughput, and limitless applications. Unrivaled speed, flawless quality, peak efficiency. Experience it all with DCP-80 Elite UV Printer.